Jackie Chan was born on April 7th, 1954 in Hong Kong. His real name was Chan Kong Sang, which means born in Hong Kong. His parents, Charles and Lily Chan, were very poor and worked as servants for a wealthy family. Despite their financial struggles, they were a happy and loving family. Jackie was their only child, and they doted on him with all their love and care. As a baby, Jackie was round and chubby, which earned him the nickname Pow Pow, meaning cannonball. This nickname also reflected his energetic personality. From a young age, Jackie was full of energy and adventure. He loved to climb trees, jump from high places, and run around with boundless enthusiasm. His parents often worried about him getting hurt because of his daring activities, but Jackie's boldness and zest for life couldn't be contained. Even as a small child, he was fearless and always on the move. Although he didn't know exactly what he wanted to do, Jackie had big dreams. He wanted to achieve something extraordinary and make his parents proud. He wanted people to know his name and recognize his achievements. When Jackie was 7 years old, his parents made a life-changing decision. They sent him to the China Drama Academy, a special school that trained children in kung fu, acrobatics, acting, and singing. This school was not like a regular one. It was known for its strict discipline and rigorous training. Jackie was initially reluctant to go and missed his parents and home terribly. Life at the academy was difficult, with early morning wake-ups and grueling practice sessions that lasted late into the night. The academy's headmaster, Master Yu, was very strict. Mistakes were met with harsh punishments, which were often painful. Jackie cried many times during his early days at the school, struggling to adapt to its tough environment. However, he gradually began to find enjoyment in the training. He became highly skilled in kung fu and acrobatics, mastering techniques like flipping, kicking, punching, and performing incredible stunts. Jackie started to take pride in his abilities and began to dream of becoming a great kung fu master. At the academy, Jackie also built strong friendships with his fellow students. They trained together, supported each other through hardships, and shared in each other's progress. This camaraderie helped Jackie endure the challenges and pushed him to strive for greatness. When Jackie was 17 years old, he left the China Drama Academy and entered the film industry as a stuntman. Stunt work was incredibly dangerous and required performers to risk their lives in scenes involving high jumps, fight sequences, and high-speed chases. Jackie was fearless and thrived in this high-risk environment. His skill and dedication made him stand out, but as a stuntman, he remained in the shadows. He longed to become a famous actor, but achieving stardom seemed like an impossible dream. Many people discouraged him, saying he wasn't handsome enough to be a leading man. Jackie felt disheartened, but refused to give up. He continued working hard, determined to prove his critics wrong. A turning point came when Jackie had the opportunity to work with the legendary kung fu star Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee was impressed by Jackie's talent, and the two formed a connection. Inspired by Bruce Lee's success, Jackie began to believe that he too could achieve stardom. Eventually, Jackie got his first chance to star in a movie. He put all his effort into the role, hoping it would be his big break. However, the film was a failure, and Jackie felt crushed. Despite his disappointment, he didn't let this setback deter him. He kept working, appearing in more films, but they too failed to capture audiences' attention. Jackie began to lose hope and even considered returning to being a stuntman. Yet, deep down, he remained determined to succeed. Jackie's fortunes changed with the release of Snake in the Eagle's Shadow. In this film, he introduced a unique style that combined kung fu with comedy, creating a fresh and entertaining approach to martial arts cinema. Audiences loved it, and the movie became a huge success. Following this, Jackie starred in Drunken Master, another film that showcased his comedic kung fu style. This movie was an even bigger hit, catapulting Jackie to stardom. His blend of humor and martial arts had never been seen before, and it quickly became his trademark. As Jackie's popularity grew, so did the demands of his career. He insisted on performing all his stunts himself, a decision that resulted in numerous injuries. Over the years, Jackie broke his nose, ankle, and suffered countless other injuries while filming. Despite the physical toll, he remained committed to delivering the best action sequences for his fans. His dedication earned him immense respect and a devoted following across Asia, particularly in Hong Kong and China. Jackie's success in Asia was undeniable, but he had an even bigger dream: to break into Hollywood and reach audiences worldwide. His initial attempts in the United States were not successful, as his style didn't resonate with American audiences, who were accustomed to action stars like Arnold Schwarzenegger and Sylvester Stallone. Jackie realized that to succeed in Hollywood, he needed to learn English. Teaching himself the language, Jackie employed creative methods to improve his skills. He watched American movies, repeated lines to practice pronunciation, and carried a notebook to write down unfamiliar words. He would later ask friends for their meanings. Jackie also learned English by singing along to songs, which helped him improve both his vocabulary and pronunciation. Despite many mistakes, he laughed at himself and kept practicing, steadily gaining confidence in his ability. Jackie's perseverance paid off when he starred in Rush Hour, a Hollywood film where he played a Hong Kong police officer working with an American detective played by Chris Tucker. The movie was a huge success, showcasing Jackie's stunts and his improved English. With Rush Hour, Jackie achieved the international fame he had always dreamed of. He went on to star in more Hollywood hits, including Shanghai Noon, The Tuxedo, and The Karate Kid. Working with some of the biggest names in the industry, Jackie became one of the most beloved action stars worldwide. Jackie Chan's life has been a journey of perseverance, hard work, and unwavering determination. From his humble beginnings in Hong Kong to becoming a global icon, Jackie faced countless challenges but never gave up on his dreams. His story continues to inspire millions, showing that with hard work and self-belief, anything is possible.